In this video, we're diving into the essential SolidWorks tools, using this part as our guide. Stick around, because I'll walk you through the modeling process step by step. Ready? Let's jump in. Hello everyone, and welcome back to your digital workshop. In today's exercise, we'll review the basic tools for modeling parts in SolidWorks. In this video, we'll cover the following. Sketch, Extruded Boss, Extruded Cut, and Fillet. Alright then, let's fire up SolidWorks and get to work. The first step is to create a sketch on the front plane. From there, we'll outline the horseshoe-shaped part. With the geometry done, let's start dimensioning to bring accuracy to the model. Let's apply a mid-plane extrusion at 80 mm to give thickness to the part. We're moving on to the side holes. We'll start by selecting one of the side faces to use as our sketch plane. Once the circle is created, we'll use the Extruded Cut feature, set to Through All, to remove the material. Now we're moving on to the top opening. To do this, we'll select the top surface and begin a new sketch. Now we'll drill the hole using the Extruded Cut feature. To build the top part, we'll select the upper surface and open a new sketch on it. With the sketch ready, let's add some volume using the Extruded Boss tool, 20 mm thick for this feature. As a final step, let's soften the lower edges of the part using the Fillet command. We'll select the four corners and apply a 40 mm radius. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep designing more awesome parts together. See you next time, and happy clicks! Here's another video to keep you designing.